Hi students, today I am going to discuss some important questions and previous year's questions in Chemical Kinetics chapter for PU board students, Karnataka. First important, this is very important question. Derive integrated rate equation for rate constant or velocity constant of zero order reaction and first order reaction. Practice this question many times, very important. Next, define zero order reaction, first order reaction, second order reaction, pseudo first order reaction. Your examples also you have to remember. Next, threshold energy, temperature, coefficients of the reaction. Next, units of rate of reaction and units of rate constant of zero order, first order and second order reaction. Units also important. Next, write the Arrhenic equation and mention what each term stands for. Okay. Next, differences between molecularity and order. Next, definitions of effective collision, collision frequency, half-life period of the reaction. Next, derive expression for half-life period of zero order reaction and first order reaction. Again, it is important. This question, based on this question, they can ask like this also. Show that the half-life period of your first order reaction is independent of initial concentration of reactant, or what happens to the half-life period of your first order reaction if initial concentration of the reactant is increased. Okay. Next, explain effect of catalyst on rate of reaction. Important. Next, draw a graph of potential energy versus reaction coordinate showing the effect of catalyst on activation energy of a reaction. Next, draw the graph for concentration of reactant versus time for zero order reaction. Give the relationship between rate constant and slope of the curve. Next, according to collision theory, what are the two factors that lead to effective collision? Again, this problem very important and very simple. Here K was given, rate constant is given, you have to calculate the half-life. Again, this model also similar, right? K was given, you have to calculate the T off. Next, here powers, sum of the powers, nothing but order. Next question, right? Here it is given first order with respect to A, second order with respect to B. Then they are asking differential rate equation, means A power 1 B power 2, nothing but second order, sorry. Here this is rate expression, K rate equal to K into A and B power 2. And one more thing, right? How is the rate of reaction affected on increasing the concentration of B 2 times? See, if you increase the concentration of B 2 times, then you will get the equation 2 here. If you solve 2 by 1, 2 by second equation by first equation, you will get the answer rate of reaction increased by 4 times. Next question, show that rate of first order reaction is doubled when concentration of reactant is doubled. Here it is the first order reaction. If concentration is double, you will get the equation 2. If you solve equation 2 by equation 1, you will get the answer. Next, this problem again very important. Here two temperatures are given. If temperature is increased to 300 to 310, then rate constant is rate is doubled. Then calculate the activation energy. This is the formula, remember. Here K2, K1 equilibrium rate constants, and R is the gas constant, T1, T2 temperature in kelvins, and EA is the activation energy. If you substitute all the values, you will get the activation energy. Here K1 equal to 1, then K2 is double, right? 2. Next, this 18th problem is similar to 17th problem, and practice it. Next problem, A plus B will give rise to products. Rate becomes double when concentration of A increased by 2 times. Rate increased by 4 times when concentration of B is doubled. Then what is the order of reaction? So this is the formula. First you write down. First, rate is double when concentration of A is double. Then you will get the equation 2. If you solve 2 by 1, you will get the x value 1. Next, second, if rate is become 4 times, rate will become 4 times when concentration of B is double. Then you are getting the equation 3. If you solve equation 3 by 1, means this third equation and first equation. If you solve, you will get the y value 2. So R equal to K into A power 1 B power 2, nothing but order equal to 3. Next problem, again this model is important. Half-life period of a first order reaction given. Half-life is given, then you have to calculate time required for complete the 80% of the reaction. Half-life 30 minutes is given. From that you calculate the K value. Once you get the K value, just substitute K value here. R naught is the initial concentration, that is the you can take as the 100, and R value 80% completed, that's why what is the remaining 20%. 80% completed, that's why remaining is 20. If you substitute, you will get the answer. Next, here 30 minutes given, right? Time given 30 minutes. So how much reaction completed? 60%. So 100, 60 completed means remaining 40. Time 30. If you solve, you will get the answer. And remember this one, for zero order reaction T of equal to R naught divided by 2K, means half-life directly proportional to initial concentration. For first order reaction T of equal to 0.693 by K, means what T of does not depending upon the initial concentration. Next, KClO3 decompose at catalyst, it brings out catalyst to form KCl and O2. What is the catalyst? Answer is MnO2. And graph was given and asked what is the order of reaction. What is the order of first order reaction? Next, show that for first order reaction T 99.9% is equal to 10 into T of. Next, T 87.5% is equal to 3 into T of. T 99% is equal to T into T 90%. Next, equation was given. They asked what is the order of reaction for this zero order. Next, a lump of coal burned at moderate rate in air, which coal dust burns explosively. What is the reason? Next question. Okay, a reaction is 50% complete in 4 hours, 75% in 8 hours. What is the order of reaction? You do one thing, take first order reaction, substitute these values. This is the first condition, this is the second condition. Both conditions you will get same K value almost, then that is the first order reaction. Like this, see, 100, 50% complete means 50, time 4. Okay, you will get some X value. Here again 75% is completed, remaining 25, 8. If you substitute, you will get, if these two values are similar, then we can say it is the first order reaction. Practice all these important questions. All the very best. Thank you.